This fresh Fiesta Dip absolutely delivers with a fantastic balance of creamy textures and fresh flavor from tomatoes and lime and cilantro. This layer dip is highly requested amongst my family and friends and is always devoured in record time because we're elevating the flavor of the ingredients, starting with combining smoky chipotle peppers in adobo with sour cream, a simple step for added deliciousness. In another bowl, combine diced ripe avocado with freshly squeezed lime juice, cilantro, and yeah, I go heavy on it. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, and gently give it a good mix. In the next bowl, fresh tomatoes, sliced black olives, and scallions get mixed together, and they look so beautiful. Now grab a large platter and pile on the refried beans. I'm with you. Refried beans are not the supermodel of the food world, so we spread it out as the bottom layer, and it adds the much-needed rich, savory flavor and thick, creamy texture for the dip without taking away from the overall appearance. Next layer is the chipotle sour cream. Smooth that out, leaving just a little bit of the beans peeking out around the edge. Generously sprinkle on a layer of shredded Mexican-style cheeses, then scatter the avocado and cilantro mixture on top of the cheese. The lime juice helps prevent the avocado from turning brown, and the bright green color peeks through the mix of the fresh tomato, olives, and scallions. I like to leave a little of each layer visible to get an idea of what's in the enticing dip. Then when you scoop servings out, the layers come into full view. Scoop it up with some plantain chips or some tortilla chips, or you could layer it with some cooked beef or chicken to make some amazing tacos. You can find this recipe for fresh Fiesta Dip at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.